We're back with Chris Powell. His secret weapon to burn more calories every day is to build muscle mass. So what do you say is the best way to reach your goal?
Well, you know that number that we just determined? We can actually make that number go up. And if that number goes up and we're still eating fewer calories, we're gonna lose weight that much faster. So not only do we wanna build muscle mass, but we also wanna just move our muscles. So that's what we're about to do.
All right, why only 5 minutes?
That's a great question. Here's the deal. Transformation is about promises. And you know, it's funny is because as humans, we're incredible at keeping promises to other people. If you give someone your word, you're great at it. But I want to try something. How many people here have told themselves the diet starts Monday?
Well, it's about everybody.
Right? How about 2012? That's my year. Right? And how did it turn out for you? Look, we're all great at keeping promises to everybody else except the most important person in the world, and that's us. And one of the biggest problems that I see is that we have a tendency to make these overblown promises. I'm gonna eat 5 smaller meals in the day. I'm gonna drink a gallon of water. I'm gonna do an hour of cardio. Stop. It starts with 5 minutes anyway. So when I say 5 minutes, it's not 4:59, it's 5 minutes. If you wanna do 5:01, that's just gravy.
In fact, it's all you ask, and he's got a great new book out. It's called Choose More, Lose More for Life. Just came out. And again, it's a simple principle you're giving us, which is to make sure that we keep the promises to ourselves. So everyone, I want everyone please to stand up, start keeping the promise to yourself. Everyone at home,
Right.
hop up everybody at home. I get what? You can do this. You can do this, and if you do, you can eat a little bit more tonight. Okay,
That's
just
right.
5 minutes, all you have to do.
5 minutes.
Walk us through 4 simple exercises.
All right, so this is what we're gonna do. It's gonna be low intensity and high intensity movements that we can do just watching TV at home. So we're gonna start off just jogging in place. And if you guys want, just move along with us. Everybody at home, get up off your couch. Time to keep that promise to yourself. So after about 30 seconds of jogging in place, we're gonna pick it up to high intensity, and we're gonna pick those knees up.
Don't do this in the back there. All right.
There you go.
Nobody.
So we're gonna go high intensity for 30 seconds. Then we're gonna bring it back down to low intensity. We're just gonna step side to side. That's it. Nice and easy. But what's happening is that we're moving our muscles, and that formula that we all had, we got that number, that number's going up right now because we're moving our muscles. And we're gonna go from sidestepping into jumping jacks. There, this is our high intensity movement. There you go, that's the high intensity movement. Here's another really fun one we can do at home. From here, we back step, back step, back step, back step. 30 seconds here, and then after 30 seconds here, we're gonna turn it into cross-country skiers. This is what it looks like. Cross-country skiers. Muscles in motion. This is a high-intensity movement right here for just 30 seconds. Now let's have some fun. Now, audience members, be careful for the people in front of you. We're gonna go jab, cross, knee. Jab, cross, knee. There you go. And especially for the people at home who might have ankle, knee, or hip issues, you can just jab, cross. So you can just jab, cross for 30 seconds. There you go. Now we can make this high intensity. You guys ready to make it high intensity?
Let's do it.
30 seconds, we're gonna go duck, uppercut, duck. There you go.
All right, put it all together now. Take us through 1. Ready?
Back to 1. Here we go. Ready? And we're gonna jog in place. There you go. 30 seconds here. And then we go high knees for 30 seconds. That's it. And then we're gonna take it into step and touch. There you go. You guys are doing great. How's it feeling? Feels good to move, doesn't it? We're moving our bodies. It feels great, doesn't it? We're gonna turn this into
for 5 minutes. It's doable.
That's it. And we're gonna do jumping jacks. There you go. That's it. Now cross-country skiers. So we're gonna step, step. Nice and easy, low intensity. And then we're gonna pick it up to a high intensity in 3, 2, 1, here we go.
It's half and half, roughly.
That's
right?
it. 30
for 5
low,
minutes.
30 high. We call them thrilling 30s. 30 seconds low intensity, 30 seconds high intensity. You keep doing this for 5 minutes, that's a promise kept.
Well done.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos to live the good life.